today I have the Humphreys Searing Station, another Humphreys product. This is completely stainless steel. So there is going to be an ease of cleaning as well as no worries about rust or residue. This comes in at just about 30 pounds, which makes it extremely portable for weekends or if you're going to be traveling. Myself, I'm going to be traveling to Kansas City, and I am going to make sure that I have this with me when I do my first steak cook-off. It has a sleek design with an easy handle to open. It comes with GrillGrates. This is actually a huge saving for the price point. It comes with 2 GrillGrates, and underneath there is a firebox that allows you to put in lump or regular briquettes. On top, there are 2 daisy wheels that can control your temperature for your heat coming out. And on the side, there is an additional daisy wheel on either side, which allows you to also control. This can come with an added plate that allows you to do much like the other Humphreys do and do a performance plate. These PIDs can switch over to do a little bit longer of a cook, not necessarily grilling. Maybe you want to do pizza, maybe you want to do baked goods. It's great on the go. The importance of this is it is meant as a grill. So you have your grates right here, which allow you to put anything from steaks to chicken to hot dogs, hamburgers. You can easily feed a family of 4. You can also focus on doing some competition meats that need some searing, whether you're doing a Neb's backyard grilling or you decide to do a steak cook-off. This little grill is easy to go and carry. I'm also going to show a secondary feature which we chose to add, which are the legs. These legs take it up off the ground a little bit. There's 4 of them for an additional price point of under $30. These legs allow for easy portability as well as having it up a little higher to work more at a counter height. It does come with this ash pan that's attached, and it is attached with screws on the side. You can see that there's screws on the side to attach your legs. This also allows you to empty your ash pretty quickly. Humphreys has a pretty consistent design in all of their products, so you're going to notice some similarities between the daisy wheels, the ash pans, as well as the construction that is solid, made right in Maine. Assembly is very minimal, if at all, and carries together perfectly, just like that. So that's our Humphreys Searing Station. We'll do more cooks with this coming up. In the snow with the Humphreys Searing Station. We're just about ready to start of the New England storm that's coming up this weekend, but we decided to try a ribeye practice for the State Cook-Off Association to kind of see if we could get a little practice in before the big storm comes and some ice. I've got the Searing Station already set up. It has lump charcoal in it, it has the GrillGrates, and the cover's on. I just checked the rail, it's at a perfect temperature. We want that temperature around the 600 mark. My infrared thermometer already told me I was at that, and we have our steaks ready to go. I'm going to take the lid off. I'm going to put it to the side. I'm going to start placing my steaks on, and you should hear an immediate stare. Here's another one. I'm going to try to get 4 on here to show you the ability to do a family of 4. You should see 4 steaks, and now I'm going to time approximately 1 minute and 30 seconds and make a quarter turn to make a diamond mark. My minute and 30 seconds is up. I'm going to take these off and flip them completely over into a pan because I want to add a little bit of flavor to them with some butter. I'm using, I can't believe it, not butter. You could do anything. Maybe some people use oil. You could do anything you want to add an additional flavor to them. These have already been seasoned. I'm going to open this up now, put my lid aside. Take them off, flip them down into my pan. You have 1 set of marks. I'm going to move pretty fast only because I want to make sure that because of the cold weather we don't have any problems. Open that a little bit. I'm going to grab my butter and I'm going to spray them down. The other side, I'm going to do the second side. Now, nice little alcove up there. I'm gonna grab my steaks now, and I'm gonna put them down again. And you can still hear that sizzle. That Humphrey Searing Station is going perfectly. I'm gonna grab it up again. And that last steak I'm gonna tuck in this corner over here. I'm gonna wait another minute and 30 seconds. Now normally I wouldn't be cooking this many, but I wanna show how many it can cook. Another minute and 30 seconds, and I'm gonna do a turn. So we are a total of 3 minutes in, a minute 30 and a minute 30. I'm gonna open up this lid again. We're gonna flip. I'm gonna flip them over this time again to get a good mark on the bottom. So you're gonna see me lift them up with the GrillGrates, flip them over this way. I'm gonna spray them in a minute once I get all 4 off. Oop, that one didn't flip for me. There we go. Grab another one off the GrillGrate, and it goes. This GrillGrate prevents flare-up. So you're gonna see these perfect marks, but you're not gonna see the flare-up, so you have a big char steak. I'm gonna grab my butter again, and I'm gonna spray it. So far, the Searing Station has been very consistent. We decided to use lump because it's a little hotter and to get us used to using some of the ribeyes that happen in a steak contest. So now, to make sure that you have your hatch marks, I have grill marks going this way. So I'm actually gonna watch it, line it up, and I'm gonna flip it over and create my turn. I'm gonna watch it, line it up with my grate, turn it, flip it over. I'm gonna keep doing that until I have all my steaks down. I may have to move them slightly, which is not my plan. I also did not clean the grates in between. Here's why. I don't have a brush. I don't have a brush right now. That doesn't mean that I can't clean them in between. Put my lid back on and wait another minute, 30 seconds.